Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is July 15, 2015. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. What you're going to see here is that the S&P 500 E-mini futures are trading higher by 1 point to 2103 and a quarter per contract. Futures, again, are holding steady so far. So markets have had a big rise over the last 3 trading days. We'll see if they can continue upon those gains. But either way, right now the markets are flat really before the opening bell. Now we have a lot of stocks in the news today. First one we're going to start off with is CSX. We could have a gap play for this morning. Stock closed at 32.07 and is now trading at 32.90. Did trade all the way as high as 33.60, so pretty good pop. We'll see if that can continue. But CSX, which is a railroad stock, making a little bit of a move. This will be played in the intraday stock chat today at some point. So come on over, take a 7-day free trial to that if you haven't. But we have lots of plays out here today. Next one we're going to be watching today will be Yum Brands. Yum Brands is trading at $91 a share. Closed at $91.99. I'm still seeing very good support here at $87.75 if it does trade down. Right now, Yum Brands trading a little bit lower, but this will also be on our radar today once we get started at 9:30 this morning. Let's take a look at Celgene. They had earnings, and I believe they have an acquisition in the works here. Celgene is trading up to $132.50 a share, closed at $122.85. So this is a big-time move for Celgene. But look what they did. I believe they put in an offer to buy out Receptos. RCPT is the ticker symbol here, and this stock is flying high. Look at how the pattern is here. This is a takeover, so there's nothing to do there. Stock closed at 207. It is now trading at 228.95. That is a big time move. If you own Receptos, just trail your stop loss. There's really nothing you can do here at this stage of the game. If you want to take your profits, feel more than free to do so. Let's take a look at some bank stocks. Bank of America in the news today. Stock closed at $17.13. They reported earnings. It's trading at $17.61. So good little pop. I'm going to give BAC the upside bias to around 1801, maybe even 1810. But trail your stop on BAC. This could be a runner up to around that $18 level. Let's take a look at Delta Airlines. I believe they are in the news as well. Delta is trading around 42.60, closed at 43.66. So stock popped initially after earnings and now has declined. There's not a lot we would do with Delta here, but it will be on our radar once the opening bell rings today. So we will be looking to potentially play Delta after 9:30 this morning. Let's take a look at PNC. This is another bank stock. PNC right now is trading right at $97, closed at $97.50. I'm not seeing anything great or terrible right now. This could be a play later today. One level I do like for PNC, again, if it does get down to $94.44, if it gets down to that level, then I would look to play it for a scalp bounce. Until then, not much I'm going to do with it. MJN, which is Mead Johnson Nutrition. Stock is trading down sharply, closed at $88.13. This is trading at $83.69. I'm working on gap levels for this one right now, so hopefully I'll have that put up in the intraday stock chat room in just about 10 minutes. Let's take a look here at FMCC. This is good old Federal Home Mortgage Corp. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. This is trading higher on some comments that Bill Ackman has bought in. Let's take a look at Fannie Mae, FNMA, and you're going to see this is trading higher as well at $2.34. So getting some good little morning pops in Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac on some comments by Bill Ackman this morning that he is buying into these shares. So we'll see how that plays out. Let's take a look at ASML this morning. This is trading sharply higher at 105.50, closed at 103. ASML is up, I believe, on earnings. You can check it out for yourself. I'm looking at resistance, though, around 106.40, and after that, the stock is free to move up a little bit more into the 108 level. So, again, the 106.40, 106.50 area, very good resistance here for ASML, but this will be on our radar once the opening bell rings today. So again, we're going to have lots of plays out here. Earnings season is just kicking off. Really, next week will be really the full-fledged start of earnings season. So just get ready for it. We'll see how it all plays out. But we're going to get more and more plays out here. Taking a look at gold futures today, they are down $2.80 to $1,150.70 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, which is a good ETF to trade gold, that is trading at 110.35. All in all, when I look at gold, I just don't see a very, very strong pattern in there yet. But that could change rather quickly, but right now there is nothing there today. Let's take a look at crude oil, which is down 40 cents. Crude oil right now is sitting at $52.63 a barrel. If we go to the USO, what you're going to see here is that the USO is trading around $17.65, down from yesterday's close, which was $17.72 rather. So again, oil still remains a bit on the weaker side. Also notice the dollar on my left side here. Dollar has popped. When the dollar is up, gold and oil are generally down. That's the kind of way it works right now. At some point that could break, but that is the relationship at the moment. All right, everybody, with that being said, futures right now up 3/4 of 1 point to 21.03 per contract, and we'll see how this all plays out. Come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. Get the trade right alongside of us. We should have good action this morning. With that being said, we will see you all on the charts.